This is the HyFlex Patch Pump. This is used for low density materials ranging from acoustical plasters, fireproofing, to paints, and anything in between. This is the HyFlex Patch Pump controls, manual remote switch, the start-stop switch, forward-reverse switch, speed control, and emergency stop switch. This is only used for emergency purposes only. Do not use this as a start-stop switch. Attached to the control panel are the 110 volt power plug and the plug for the remote for operation at the spray station. This is the electric motor, and behind the electric motor is the motor drive. This is the hopper cover, and inside the hopper cover is the screen for different materials. Inside the hopper, we have the drive shaft, the rotor, and the cleanout plug. And at the front of the patch pump, we have the upper clamp, the adjustable stator tube, the lower clamp, stator adapter, and the cam lock fitting. On the side of the unit is the tool to remove the clamps.